Here we are looking for new bee sites or exploring bee sites areas. As we can see, good access, good hard all-weather road from the main road, which is very important if it ever does rain again. Here we have good open area, nice area for sitting bees, numerous areas. If this was going to be a wintertime site, I'd have them over in the area there or up on the gravel pit where northern aspect would hit them a lot more. If it was going to be a summertime site, I would have them over here in the shade of the trees for the cool. As you can see, we've got a gully here. There's private lands around, so there's plenty of water supplied within, well and truly within flying distance for the bees. We try and keep our sites 1.5, 1.6 old mile from each other for biosecurity reasons. Even though it is still too close, we've got to be reasonable in, there'd be a lot too much wasted area if we spread them to 5 kilometres, we'd end up with no bee sites left for the industry. So when you're looking for a bee site, access is one of the major things. Good weather, all weather access. Could be coming from 1,000 kilometres away and you don't know whether it's rained or not, so that's one major thing. And what you've got on your bee site, what you're actually coming here to work is very important. Knowledge of your plants and your trees. It's not much value of just dumping a load of bees here if there's not going to be anything, no flowering event for the next 12 months.